Welcome back to Duolingo French. Let's translate the sentence. Oui, Paul. Oui.
Paul.
Paul.
Bonjour.
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 That seems a little bit easy for some reason.
Oui.
It shouldn't be this easy, right?
Bonjour Anna. Comment ça va? Je suis Julie.
Bonjour Anna, comment ça va? Je suis Julie. So, Julie asks how Anna is doing. Bonjour Anna.
Oui.
Oui.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Un.
Chien.
Chien. Ah, chien. Ça va bien. Oui, ça va bien. Yes, I'm doing good.
Ça.
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 Bien.
Bien means good. Well.
Oui.
Oui.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Hello.
Comment?
Comment? Come on, man.
Ça va bien.
Ça va bien. Ça va bien.
Bien.
It's going good. It's going well.
Où?
Ooh.
Où?
Monkey sounds. Congrats on 10 in a row.
Ça va bien?
Ça va bien. So are you doing well? Right? Are you doing well? Question mark.
Bonjour. Comment ça va?
Bonjour, comment
Ça
va? Oui, je vais bien. Oh, I'm doing well, yeah. Oui, ça va bien. 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 Oui, ça va bien. Good morning. How are you doing? So, good morning is bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment ça va?
Comment va?
Comment ça va? Come on, man. Give me that tone. I'm going to pause it so it's not so irritating. There's commercials coming up, so. All right, I'm back. I'm going to jump back into greeting people. Lesson 3 of 5. Oh, and I don't want to earn a heart. Maybe if I lose them all, I'll watch a couple ads or something like that.
Enchanté.
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 That means pleased to meet you. Nice to meet you. Au revoir. A bientôt. See you later. See you soon.
Et.
Eh.
Et.
Eh. Monkey sounds.
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue. Welcome.
Fille.
Fille, girl.
Bien.
Bien is well.
Comment?
Comment is how.
Oh.
Oh.
Ou. Oh.
There it is. Oh. Welcome is bienvenue.
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 À bientôt, Paul.
A bientôt, Paul. A bientôt, Paul. See you later? Where is it? See soon. See you soon, Paul. Wow, that was hard to find for some reason. I should have just typed it out. Hello, Paul. Nice to meet you. Bonjour, Paul. Enchanté.
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 Bonne journée et à bientôt.
Bonne journée et à bientôt. This person is saying goodbye. I'll see you later. Bientôt.
Bonjour Paul. Enchanté.
Bonjour, Paul. Enchanté.
Enchanté.
Hello, Paul. Nice to meet you. Goodbye, Marie. So, au revoir. Oops.
Revoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir, Marie.
Marie.
Marie. Whoa.
Au revoir.
Avec myself.
Bonne journée.
Au revoir. Bonne journée.
Bonne.
Bonne. Not bon. Bonne. See you soon, Marie. So, oh my gosh. Why is this see you soon, Marie? Is a bientôt, Marie?
Marie.
What's going on with my brain? It just decides to take a vacation.
Bienvenue, Marie.
Bienvenue, Marie. Gotta sound just like him. So that means welcome, Marie. Bienvenue, Marie. I'm gonna have this weird accent by the end of this course. Goodbye, have a nice day. So, au revoir.
Au revoir.
Bonne journée.
Journée.
Bonne journée. Dun dun. Alright, that's it for this lesson. I will see you guys in the next lesson tomorrow. Peace out.